If you're seeing the Claude error message that says fail to fetch, don't worry, this is usually a browser issue, an extension conflict, or sometimes a file upload problem. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These troubleshooting methods are simple, safe, and they can help you get Claude working again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI and software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, test Claude in an incognito or private window. This is one of the easiest ways to check whether the problem is coming from your browser setup. Open a new incognito window in Chrome, Edge, or your preferred browser, then sign into Claude and try the same action again. If Claude works normally in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your browser extensions or saved browser settings is interfering with the connection. If the error still appears in incognito, then the issue is likely something else, and we'll keep going. Next, disable your browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and network protection extensions like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger. These tools can sometimes block requests that Claude needs to send to Anthropic's servers, which can trigger the fail to fetch error. Go into your browser's extensions menu and turn them off temporarily, then refresh Claude and test again. If the error disappears after disabling an extension, you found the cause. At that point, you can leave it off for Claude or whitelist the site so it doesn't interfere in the future. After that, clear the cookies and cache for Claude specifically. Over time, corrupted cookies or stored browser data can cause login issues, loading errors, or failed requests, so this is a very effective fix. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Site Data, find Claude or the Claude website, and delete the cookies and cached files associated with it. Then fully reload the page and sign in again. This often solves stubborn connection errors, especially if Claude was working before and suddenly started failing. Now let's talk about file uploads, because if the error happens after you upload a document, image, or other file, the file size may be the problem. Claude has upload limits, and if your file is too large, the request may fail or time out. As a rule of thumb, keep uploads well under 32 megabytes whenever possible. If your file is close to the limit, compress it, split it into smaller parts, or remove unnecessary pages or images before uploading again. Smaller files are much less likely to trigger gateway timeouts or fetch errors. If you've tried all of these steps and the issue still continues, refresh the browser, try a different browser, and make sure your internet connection is stable. But in most cases, one of these 4 fixes will solve the problem quickly. So to recap, first, test incognito mode. Second, disable extensions. Third, clear Claude cookies and cache. And fourth, check your file size before uploading. If this video helped you fix the Claude failed to fetch error, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want more AI troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.